On today's episode of Physics in the Hood, now, for all seriously, my name is E. Cooper. I'm an engineer, got a degree in electronic engineering, and you're about to meet my best friend and associate, Aaron Watts, who's got his degree in mechanical engineering and other fields as well. Basically, we're going to showcase his fuel system, which is the production of hydrogen on your table. Everybody goes to the gasoline stand or the station and gets gas that comes from Exxon or BP, and those guys have big offshore rigs that I'm tongue-tied. Dwell deep into the earth to get the fuel. But anyhow, just imagine if you had something smaller than a, coffee cup that was making it on your table. Wow, this young brother has done it. I've invented things, but today the show is about him. So, with no further ado, here we go.
Yeah, how you doing there? Aaron Watts. Been working on this here project for about a couple of weeks. It's basically electrolysis of water which produces hydrogen. It's basically breaking the hydrogen atom out of water because all water carries hydrogen in it. When you electrolyze it, which is basically charging the water, then it basically breaks the hydrogen free. That's what this is here. Turn the electricity on, starts beginning to break down the process of the water and turning it into hydrogen.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Fuel made on your table. Matter of fact, his fuel is being made right next to the computer. So, no going. Even though this is,
try this at home.
Even though this is kind of a known principle, this is something that he slapped together from parts probably at Kroger or some other stores.
Walmart, and Lowe's.
So yeah, as you can see there, you see the foaming process of the hydrogen being made. And let's kind of go into the components of the system here. What about that coil over there?
This is the original electrolysis coil. This came out of a hair dryer. Basically, you send about 120 volts here, this turns red, and you dry your hair. Well, if you put 12 volts in, it becomes what's known as an electrolyzer, heat electrolyzer, which this is where I did my original study from, which allowed me to go to the next process and create this guy here. This is the electrolyzer. It's nothing more than a positive and negative charged wire, one double, one single, creating the electricity in the water to break the hydrogen atom free to produce hydrogen.
We can turn the power off, or so people can see the coil inside. And the whistling sound that you heard is basically the hydrogen pressurizing in there. You can see the nozzles on top that you extract the gas from. Too bad we don't have a lighter on us because, we can show you that the fuel can be combustible. But anyway, anybody got a lighter at all? Now, we probably wouldn't want to blow the table up.
No, we don't.
And don't need that.
But that's next week's episode. So, I hope you've enjoyed Physics in the Hood, and we do little projects on the side every now and then to show on the net. We do have our own company. It is incorporated. It's AirTech Technologies and Company. So be looking out for us because we're coming out with a new engine that runs off the power of compressed air and some other secrets that we're not telling about. We'll see you next time.
Peace!